Ever feel like your wallet's bulging with plastic, but your phone's feeling a little bare? Cashback? Psst, who even uses cash anymore? We're living in a digital age, and that means digital wallets are taking the world by storm. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Introducing Vivid Money. Well, hold on to your virtual hats because today, we're diving deep into Vivid Money. It's not just another digital wallet, it's a financial companion that lets you manage your money, shop online, and even snag some sweet cashback rewards, all from the convenience of your phone. Making payments with Vivid. So, how exactly do you use Vivid to pay? Buckle up, because it's ridiculously easy. Here's the rundown. Find your virtual card, open your Vivid app and tap on the Cards section. There you'll find your snazzy virtual debit card, complete with a card number, expiration date, and that all-important CVV code. Shop away. When you're ready to check out online, simply enter your virtual card details just like you would with any regular debit card. Easy, right? Contactless payments, optional if you've upgraded to a physical Vivid card, totally free. You can tap and pay at any contactless terminal. It's the ultimate in convenience. Just wave your phone or card, and voila, payment complete. Bonus, Apple Pay and Google Pay. If applicable, want to take things one step further? Vivid integrates seamlessly with Apple Pay and Google Pay. Just add your Vivid card to your preferred wallet app, and you can pay with just a tap of your phone at millions of stores worldwide. Security first. Security is a top priority, and Vivid takes it seriously. They use state-of-the-art encryption to keep your information safe, and you can even lock or freeze your card instantly if you ever lose your phone. Plus, real-time transaction notifications keep you in the loop about every purchase. Cashback rewards. Here's the cherry on top. Vivid lets you earn cashback on your everyday spending. Imagine getting a little money back every time you buy groceries, pay bills, or grab that morning coffee. It all adds up. Different Vivid plans. If applicable, Vivid offers different plans to cater to your needs. The basic plan is free and perfect for casual users. However, if you're a cashback enthusiast or want some extra features like metal cards and travel insurance, you can upgrade to a premium plan for a small monthly fee. Wrapping up. So, whether you're a seasoned digital wallet pro or just starting out, Vivid Money is definitely worth checking out. It's a secure, convenient, and rewarding way to manage your finances and shop like a boss. Call to action. Ready to ditch the bulky wallet and experience the magic of Vivid Money? Download the app today and join the digital financial revolution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending.